Korea haul!
Olive Young haul!
I got the Arirang BTS The City Arirang Tear Cushion Foundation na may kasama na siyang lip tint. Ganyan. Tinted lip tint daw. And then, meron din itong Korean na usually nakalagay sa handbook. I also got, if you know, you know. Ito yung pinakasikat na brand ng makeup, Korean makeup noon. Got the eye makeup palette nila, Autumn. Kasama to sa mga top pick nila ng makeup. It looks like this. Parang cushion yung design niya. And then when you open it, ito naman guys, galing to sa pharmacy. It's Pancol. Cold symptoms relief. So you take this after meals daw and then nawawala talaga yung symptoms ng cold or ng flu. As in yung pangati ng throat, yung sipon and everything. Let's see if it's effective. And then I got Yumi Cells Tea Money. Baliktaran sila. Ito pwede natin gamitin sa boss dito sa Korea. But I'm already using Tea Money. So inuubos ko yung laman nun para ito naman yung gamitin ko.
I-haul ko na to kasi iimpakihin ko na. And nag-haul na ako ng part 1 if hindi nyo pa yun paparad. Pero konti lang ang binili ko. First is Beauty of Joseon Eye Serum. Next is Mediheal Retinol Collagen Eye Patches. I'm not sure if eye patches really work. Di ko pa siya natatry. So this will be the first time. Next is Kill Lash from Clio. Wala akong mascara the whole trip. Actually, kahit sa Pilipinas, di ako nag-mascara kasi lagi ako nagpa-panda eyes. So, ayan, naka-buy one, take one siya or 1+1. Next is this VT PDRNK. If you guys remember, kinuha ko ni VT to make a video for them. And then, pinagamit ko sa sister ko yung product. And nagandahan siya. So, ayan, nagpadala na, nagpabili na siya. Sabi niya, ang daya naman ng mga nagpapadala sa'yo, napapabili yung kapatid mo. So, siya yung nagiging customer. It's really good, guys. We have a lot of Mediheal Collagen Mask. Next is this Anua serum na pinabili rin ng sister. Alam ko paano magkakasya to lahat sa maleta ko. Ito naman, sa akin din to. This is the Torriden. So, let's try this.
Guys, ito yung gamit kong lipstick or lip tint.
Yun lang naman. And I'm not sure if mamimili pa ako bukas kasi wala na talagang space yung maleta ko. So, anyway, follow for more. Bye!